How you can use Qwarta Home Credit in grocery store. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. So first, open your Home Credit app and log in. If you don't have Qwarta yet, tap Apply Now to get started. It's quick and easy. Once approved, head to the dashboard and see your Qwarta virtual card. Then tap the card and look for Customize or Change Theme. Pick your favorite color or design so your card matches your vibe. After that, now let's shop. For online purchases, select Qwarta at checkout. Enter your virtual card details and confirm with the OTP sent to your phone and when shopping in person. Just add your Qwarta card to your mobile wallet like Gcash or PayMaya, then tap your phone at checkout. No physical card needed. Before you splurge, remember to check your Qwarta credit limit in the app or pay on time to avoid fees. And use promos. Home Credit often has cashback deals or discounts, and that's it. That's how you can use Qwarta Home Credit in grocery store.